with a really quick video on how to use your bead spinner. This is the d.i.y bead spinner. Like nowadays, I am really not sure where to get it. I don't know if it's sold out because I know Michaels did buy the d.i.y company, so I'm not sure if they're still gonna be making anymore. But definitely search online, search on Etsy, search on eBay to see if you can find one of your own, because this is a lifesaver. So I'm going to show you how to use it real fast. Of course, it's battery operated, and when you do use them, you want to make sure you have enough beads. I use them to string with beading wire. It's the easiest for me and I like it. So I am right-handed, right? So when I turn on my bead spinner, I'm going to click it towards the right. It's going to spin towards the left, and that's because we need it to go against the grain to pick up the beads when it's spinning. So I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate that. And that is pretty much it with the bead spinner. There's only one thing that I don't like about it. It is loud. So, I mean, if that bothers you, then I would suggest the manual spinner, but I don't like spinning, so this one works really great. And do keep in mind that depending on what you're using to string, the bead sizes do make a difference because you want it to be able to catch easily. And that is really it. So using a bead spinner isn't hard. If you could get your hands on one, definitely get it. Get two. And they also come with like other bowls, so you could change the color of your beads or have multiple when you're working with different projects. So thanks everybody for watching. If this was helpful, please comment and let me know down below. Until next time, bye guys.